This is Jen from Thread Honey, and today I'm going to be showing you how to use the Sulky Sticky Fabric Selfie Stabilizer that I sell in my shop. This product is the easiest way to transfer your embroidery patterns onto clothing, and the best part about it is that it dissolves with water after you're done stitching. To transfer your pattern onto the stabilizer, you can either draw on it with a ballpoint pen or print your design from the computer onto the stabilizer. Since it's the same size as standard letter paper, printing couldn't be easier. After you have your design on your stabilizer, you can trim it down, remove the backing, and place it onto the clothing item that you're working with. You can move it around if you need to, but try not to move it around too much or it will start to lose its adhesive quality. You can then place your hoop around your design and start stitching. This stabilizer is acid and lead free and has a medium hand weight. When you first start stitching, you might initially notice the extra weight on your needle, but once you get going, you will most likely not be able to tell the difference. Once you're done with your embroidery, remove your hoop and simply dissolve away the stabilizer with water. I like to take the entire embroidery project to a sink. Running the embroidery under warm water will dissolve the stabilizer backing. I like to use my fingers or an old toothbrush to make sure all the backing has been removed. After you're done rinsing off the backing, you can lay your object flat to dry. And that's it. So simple. I've been using this product for years and even wrote about it in my book, Embroidery Now. If you're interested in more embroidery patterns, supplies, and tutorials, you can visit my site at thethreadhoney.com.